Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your blower fan on your Kia Sedona. If your blower starts to make some noise or even if it doesn't work. And I'm also going to show you how to change your resistor, because if you change the speed of the fan and it's stuck, by example, at full blast and you want low setting, your resistor is bad. So now I'm in a junkyard and I removed this panel just to show you the system. So this is the rear air duct, and you're gonna see right there, this is the HVAC system with the blower fan. So I'm gonna show you how to remove every plastic panel to get access to this HVAC system. Okay, so guys, this is the day I'm gonna remove this plastic. First thing first, this tool is very nice to remove plastic trim because you have less chance to break something. This so nice. And there's two bolts there and there, 10 millimeters. I'm gonna use this piece right there to put the bolt. Don't lose anything. So the first one is removed, and now I'm gonna remove the rubber just a little bit like this. Okay. Right there. And this is the tool that I use, by the way. You can find this tool on Amazon. This is a plastic trim remover. This is really nice because this is really thin. And now we're gonna put a flat screwdriver right there to flip this plastic cover, airbag cover off. And now we're gonna remove this 10 millimeters. Okay. Gonna put it on the roof. Now there's a 10 millimeter there. I'm gonna remove the belt down there. Okay, so this one, just have to remove it like this. Yes, it is. So the belt is off. And don't forget to remove this 10 millimeter right there. So I pop this one. So you really want to take your time. Don't break anything. Don't go crazy with it. Okay. And now I'm at the passenger door. I lift the seat. And now I'm gonna remove this plastic right there. This is a really easy one to remove. And now I'm gonna remove the plastic to release the belt. Always with the 14 millimeter. Just like this. This one is great. Don't forget you have to put back this shim. Okay, and now I'm gonna pull on this rubber just like this, carefully. Okay, there is a 10 millimeter right there. Oh yeah. Okay, so right there, there's a plastic. Okay, so somewhere around there with a long pry bar I can see the plastic. Okay, so you have four silver bolt and 3 black bolt to remove, and the seat belt. And this is all you have to remove for this panel. And now, just like this, There's a connector down there. Push up. There's a connector. You have to push up. And now this plastic is gone. Okay, there it is. Okay, so now this is the unit. I'm gonna remove this bracket down there. At 10mm. I'm gonna put it back at its place to remember. I got it. Now this part is gone. And now you have your rear AC blower. So you're gonna have to release this little pin right there. So you're gonna have to push down there. This is really cold outside, so this is why things goes really hard. Every plastic is really hard. Now you just have to remove 3 Phillips heads, screwdriver, like this. You can see that. And this one there. So this is your rear blower fan, okay? And this is the green part right there. This is your resistor, I think, for the speed fan. I'm gonna show you if we got a heat sink. Yes. So this is what makes your fan turn much faster or slower. See right there on the hole, you're gonna see the AC condenser right behind that. This is where the cold happen. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.